Traveling. The one thing that makes our hearts skip a beat, ignites our souls, and gives us a sense of freedom and adventure. Even more so when we get to be tourists in our own home country. I thought I knew the amazing thrill of flying, that nothing could beat this feeling. But flying with a helicopter is an entirely new and exciting experience. A 3-day vacation that pushed us out of our comfort zones and awakened something that can no longer be silenced. The urge to discover, to explore, and to invest in the most important thing, ourselves. Sharing those moments with the wild animals made us realize we too are just wild beings waiting to be set free and discover the world. If you put your heart to it, it seems fairy tales do come true. Ask yourself, when was the last time you did something for the first time?